CB500X. Got the crash bars done. There you go, all around, mounted to the engine there. Got the puig touring screen, slightly tinted, smoked. I've got the SP Connect phone mount, which is pretty good. Comes with the SP cover for the phone as well, so that's quite handy and stays there. Is that it can sit without interfering with the dash there, so it sits quite parallel almost. Got it there. Did get the Honda genuine 12 volt fitting there, 3 amp maximum. That's just a cheap 20 buck 3-in-1 USB charger with a voltmeter and a temperature, outside digital temperature gauge, which is quite handy, especially for the voltmeter. So I quite like that. It's obviously interchangeable, and as you can see, there you go. So gives you the readings. Outside temperature has slightly dropped from earlier, and I did get a Givi flange, so that's for my 25-liter tank bag, so protects that area there. And I have the Honda Racing Club tank guard keys and all that. Beautiful, matches the seat design, the color scheme, like the baby African at some point. And oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. And I've got the Honda genuine heated grips there. So that's the little, all you do is you hold that. As you can see, it's flashing. And there are 3 settings to that, basically. So yeah, pretty cool. Quite impressed. Switch that off to save some battery.